Okay, now welcome guys back. We want to do a quick analysis on our Euro USD for today. As you can see now on our price, about today before yesterday we had a bullish move. Yesterday we had a move and now our price is now opening bullish, and I believe we would still be going bullish today, at least to hit this our liquidity area for today. As you can see, that is at least we should be aiming to grab about 69 pips to grab today. I believe we'll actually be moving at least 69 pips. About day before yesterday, we actually had a 68 pips movement. Yesterday, we had a 68 pips movement. Day before yesterday, we had 58. I also believe today we'll be having 66 pips movement for today. Then possibly would be dropping by then. Currently, I want to show you that we are currently at the Sydney section, going to the Tokyo section. So at least by the time our London section has opened, we should be able to clock our 68 pips, and probably when our New York section has opened, then we should now finally now see a drop on our Euro USD. So I believe our Euro USD will go up, have a drop, then continue going bullish. That is exactly what I am planning to trade on our Euro USD, and it should happen. As you can see on our index, our index is actually showing a 4. As you can see, a 4. We actually got a retracement, and we did a weekly analysis where we'll be having a 4 on our DX. So as you can see, we had a 4 day before yesterday, we had a 4 yesterday, and now our price has opened. But I still believe today we'll still be having a 4. So when we are having a 4, any pair relating to our US index should actually be going bullish. So that is exactly why I'm planning to go bullish on our euro against our USD, then a 4, which will give us a retracement and a continued bullish move on our euro USD. As I'm seeing it, we are still on an uptrend move. As you can see, uptrend is exactly what I'm planning, watching it to happen. We should actually go uptrend, have this double top here, and hit this, get this our double top, then have a retracement, and go bullish on our euro USD. So that is the analysis. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.